What if I ask you to copy a string from one variable to another variable? You would say, it's damn easy. But what if I put a constraint that you are not allowed to use this I and j variable as shown on this screen, as it's consuming some extra bytes? Then most of you would start wondering. And some of you may point out that you can remove either I or j and can run this code with, let's say, I variable only as shown on the screen. But still you would be using one extra variable, and our criteria of not using any extra variable is still not met. Moving forward, I, Himanshu Sharma, welcome you all in this series of Smart Code. Today I will give you the solution by which you would get into the habit of using memory efficiently, as it is out of the box coding skill which requires in-depth knowledge of programming. If you are here in this channel for the first time, I would request you to subscribe this channel, as this would encourage me to upload more and more such video. First, we will see the solution which mostly people implements, and along with that we will learn some concepts while coding. We are defining character array. Internally it is saved in these block-like structures, and compiler by default adds this null character, which is generally used to mark the end of the string. Further, we are declaring second character array and initializing I and j variable. You can definitely proceed with even one variable as well, but I am showing you with two variables. This is for loop for iterating one by one index of character array, and loop break condition is for the case whenever str1 reaches null. Further, we are assigning one by one character to str2 array. Here we need to explicitly put null character because in the for loop we haven't copied null character, as it was used in the loop break condition, hence that was not copied. Here at bottom we can see the output of this code. Himanshu is getting printed using second character array. Now we shall check the second solution, which is of course not our final solution that I mentioned in the beginning of video. But this solution on the screen should give you the hint to remove this unnecessary I and j variable also. I won't go line by line to explain this entire code, but I want you to take a note of this while loop. Here this loop will execute as long as str1 character array reaches null pointer, along with this I variable which is post increment. So that means first str1 value will be taken, assigned to str2, then I and j will be incremented to point to next index. That's how this while loop will run, and str2 will be printed containing Himanshu. This solution is impressive than what we saw earlier. But that's not the end. In the part 2 of this video, we will check the final solution, and we will not be using this I and j variable. That's all for the part 1. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, you think of the solution and let me know in the comment section. Goodbye. Take care.